What's going on? So today we got a video from Veda, VEDA, all right? And the title of the video is Fake CIA Agent Gets Arrested. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
You're with the United States government?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have some kind of identification that I can pass along?
CIA number 13426.
This guy thought he could impersonate the CIA, but to understand how we got here, we have to go back to the arrest where it all started.
Hey, sir. What's the issue, sir? Yeah, the reason I'm stopping you, man, you're following that car too close and you're really angry. What's the problem?
Going to John Party concert.
So why are you so angry?
I'm just mad at myself, sir.
I mean, you passed me behind a tailgate and you screamed, "Fuck!" real loud.
Oh, no, sir.
How much alcohol you had?
Nothing.
I can smell it.
Oh. Sir, I'm going to John Party concert.
I understand that. And you're tailgating the hell out of that person.
I didn't mean to tailgate.
The officer does a background check and finds his tags have been expired.
Your tags have been expired for 6 months.
Yes, sir. I'm talking to my girlfriend or whatever right now. Like I said,
just listen to the cop. Listen to the cop. Or put me on speaker.
No excuse. Your tags have been expired for 6 months? You driving around hot for 6 months? And you been drinking? Oh yeah, you asking to go to jail.
Do me a favor, turn the car off.
Yes.
Listen.
Don't say it.
The odor of an alcoholic beverage coming off of you is overwhelming, and you're trying to tell me you haven't been drinking, and that's ridiculous.
Sir, there's alcohol in the vehicle. I drink.
So it's coming off your breath, boss.
Yes, sir. I can do a sobriety test.
Perfect. Step out for me.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Sir, I can do a sobriety
Perfect.
test.
What is it?
I can do a sobriety test.
Good. Step back here.
Yes, sir. Like I said, I'm just going to the John Party concert. That's it, sir.
Where are you going? Where's that?
The John Party concert.
Never do the sobriety test, man. Especially if you've actually been drinking, okay? You're going to fail.
Sir.
Okay. What's your highest level of education?
Associate's degree, Air Force.
I would like for you to start at the number 69 and count backwards, starting at 69, ending at 51.
69, 68. 51.
I can smell it coming off you, so you're not being honest.
Listen, sir, I drink. I'm an alcoholic. You're gonna smell alcohol off me no matter what happens. Okay, I'm sober enough to get to the John Party concert.
When I tell you to do so, you're gonna lift whichever foot you want, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Your foot, whatever foot you choose, is gonna be parallel. You're gonna count aloud.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1003. 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029. I'm sorry.
Okay, put your foot down. Okay, I'm going to do a balance exercise, okay? Okay, face this way for me.
Yes, sir.
Balance exercise.
Sir, you need to sit up.
Yeah, they checking your balance all right.
Sir, I got a lot of love for you being a veteran. I was in the Air Force myself. Security forces, okay?
Yes, sir.
But the problem, you know.
Is there no way you can find people a hotel or anything like
Sir,
that?
you're drunk driving, bro.
Sir, I'm not drunk driving.
Sir,
I'm not blowing a breathalyzer test.
You are very drunk.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Bubba. Come on.
Sir, listen to me. Can I just get the concert, please?
No.
Listen, sir.
So you need some help.
Of course I need some help. Can I get my phone real quick? Call my girlfriend?
Yes, come on. The car's got to be towed because you have a prior OVI conviction. Step out.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Spin around.
Yes, sir.
What OVI is this? 2?
Yeah, the second one. I had one in 19.
Yeah, but the fact of the matter is...
Damn, and you a repeat offender?
Sir, you are extremely intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Because if you weren't, sir, you would have done a breathalyzer.
After the suspect is arrested and released, he calls the office pretending to be a CIA agent.
Shanty County Dispatch.
Yes, ma'am. Is there a sheriff or a sergeant or something like that over the line? I'm at a Louisville, Kentucky or whatever. I've got a situation here, whatever I need to get dealt with. I need to speak to either a sergeant or a lieutenant or something like that.
Okay. Since it's the weekend, I don't have a sergeant on.
No, we're not sergeant it on the line. I need somebody now.
Okay. Well, you just asked for a sergeant, so I'm just letting you know that we don't have one on.
Yes, ma'am.
So what was it that you were needing assistance with?
There was a situation with a veteran that we need to have taken care of and this and that, whatever, on the line, and you guys had some issues with her in the county. I need to get this taken care of now.
Okay,
right.
but like I said, I need more information. What situation with the veteran?
There's no more information that I'm.
Yes, there is, because I have to get you to where you need to be.
There's a situation with a compromised individual or whatever that we need to get taken care of.
Okay, where is the compromised individual?
Yeah, the compromised individual is back in Louisville, Kentucky. And
okay, have you contacted your local department there?
Oh no, we've already contacted the local department. We're dealing with Champaign right now.
Okay, but if they're in Louisville, Kentucky, why are you calling us?
Because the situation was the issue happened in your county.
Okay, what was the issue that happened?
We had an individual that was arrested under some suspicious situation. He was put into your all's jail, held for fucking 24 hours. Had to come out and let go, this and that, whatever. And this is national security implications, okay? So I need to get somebody on the line now.
Okay, so I'm not following. So someone was arrested and in the jail?
You're not going to follow. Get me to your sergeant or your lieutenant.
Sir,
please, thank you.
I need to figure out what you need so I can get you directly where you need to go. Do you understand?
There was a national security implication on an individual that was held in your county on a charge that was bullshit because you had Deputy Dewey out there in fucking Champaign County holding somebody up for some bullshit.
Okay,
and
please don't cuss at me.
in jail for 24 hours. I need to get the fucking.
Okay, if you're going to continue to cuss at me, I'm going to hang up the phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so like I said, I need further information so I can get you to where you need to go.
Thank you, ma'am. Listen, we had an individual. Okay.
Okay. Do you have the individual's name?
No, I'm not. That information is not going to you. There was an individual that was held.
Okay. If you're not going to give me the name, I can't help you.
All right. Austin Carroll.
Austin Carroll.
Yes. They was held on a national security implication or whatever. It was held in your county on a bullshit charge because Deputy Dewey didn't fucking know how to do his goddamn job.
Deputy Dooley?
We're gonna. I'll have the Justice Department up your fucking ass on Monday.
Okay. Once again, if you continue to cuss at me, I will hang up the phone. Would you like my help?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you stop cussing at me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good for her. I like that she gave some pushback. Come on, people are people. You ain't about to just talk to me any old kind of way. Like, I like that. I definitely like that she gave some pushback, man.
Okay. So, Austin Carroll.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have his date of birth?
13 March 82.
Okay, so you're wanting to speak to them reference why he was held in the jail?
Yes. Absolutely. And why the hell he was held, and why the hell that, you know what, I'll speak to your sergeant about those different cases.
Okay, what is your relation to this male?
United States government.
You're with the United States government?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have some kind of identification that I can pass along?
CIA number 13426.
CIA number 13426.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're out of Louisville, Kentucky?
Yes, ma'am. Well, yes, ma'am.
So you're working on his case with the CIA then?
Yeah, trust me, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
She know that's BS. you hear the tone in her voice when he's at CIA number 134 whatever. She like, so you're working on his case? Yeah, she know he full of it.
Alrighty, sir. Give me one moment. I'll see if someone's available.
Thank you, ma'am.
CIA number 13426. Hello.
1342996.
Okay. Are you ready for me to send you through to Lieutenant Schultz?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send you through.
Lieutenant Schultz, how can I help you?
Lieutenant Schultz, hey, sir, how are you? Who can I ask your credentials, please, sir?
County credentials. What do you need?
You Lieutenant.
I answered the phone as Lieutenant Schultz.
Mechanic for CD. Okay, all right. You had an officer or whatever that arrested one of our agents or whatever on a.
And what's your name, sir?
Agent Smith.
First name
John.
and your date of birth, sir?
12/16/70.
I heard you had a complaint. So, what's your address?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, listen. So, we had we had an agent or whatever that was detained and arrested or whatever in your county.
Okay.
On a current charge. We're a little ununderstanding of the reasoning behind some of this, and I guess listen. I understand Mechanicsburg and this and that, whatever, but you guys can't be doing this shit.
Doing what, sir?
Pulling people over
Arresting
for no
people
reason.
for DUI?
No, pulling people over for no reason, and because they have out-of-state tags and this and that, whatever, and then running.
That's why he was pulled over, sir.
No, he was pulled over for what? What was the reason?
Ask the gentleman that got pulled over. He's right there with you.
Oh, we've already asked the gentleman that's been pulled over. Trust me, we spoke to the gentleman that's been pulled over, and it was
Did you have a concern, sir, with how we do business here? You can go on our website.
We will have the Justice Department up your ass Monday morning if you don't speak to me, sir. We will have the Justice Department up your ass Monday morning.
Our address, sir, is 18. Our address is 8.
Oh, trust me.
Chief of Police will be here on Monday. If you have an issue with the department or any of its members or arrests that took place, you can contact him on Monday.
We will have a
His
problem
name is
Monday
David
morning
Patton.
if you do not speak to me. I call it an MO, a method of operation. Better fucking change. All right? You better stop doing bullshit like this. I'm coming down on you guys. I will have the Justice Department up your fucking ass on Monday. Do you understand me?
I told you could send them to 1850. Excuse me.
Yeah, and I'm going to send the Justice
and if you
Department
threaten me, or if you continue to cuss at me, I'll discontinue the conversation.
Right.
If you want to speak calmly, I will speak.
Champaign County,
but don't threaten me.
Champaign County loses their fucking federal charter. Okay.
Okay.
You got to.
What's your CIA? What's the number to the office you work at, sir?
I can't give you that, sir.
You can't? I can't Google CIA phone numbers and won't give me a contact number?
You want to Google?
This guy is a complete clown. He said, what's the number to the office you work out of? He said, I can't give you that. Come on, man. Oh, man. He needs at least a 5-piece. Go sit down, man. This is your second DUI, and you're impersonating an official. Get out of here, man. Give him a 5-piece, man. We're going to give him a 5-piece on the house. Go sit down for 5 years, man.
Listen to me. I'm trying to talk to somebody that's on the fucking line that's going to listen to me, because here's the deal. You
keep threatening me.
Your deputy cannot do what he does.
We don't have a deputy.
They cannot do what they do. They cannot do what
We're
they
not
do.
deputies. We're police officers.
And not understand what's going on in the larger principle of everything. You understand me? You got a guy out there, okay, that's clocking fucking tags from out of state or whatever, that wants to pull people over and do this and that, whatever. They fucked up a goddamn operation. Do you understand me? They fucked up a goddamn operation, a large-scale operation. I want to talk to the chief. I want to talk to whoever the fuck you got out there, because I'm pissed. All right? And here's the deal. Listen, Lieutenant.
If you'd like, I'll take your number, and I'll make sure the chief gets it.
Now, listen.
You said you're with who? You said 4721?
Yes. Listen. Have someone from your agency contact me, please.
I will. Lieutenant Schultz.
So, hey, sorry, sir, we got disconnected.
No, I thought you hung up.
No, listen, sir, listen. Here's the deal. I'm gonna be real clear. All right, listen.
The suspect was additionally charged with felony of impersonating an officer and a misdemeanor of falsification on top of his DUI.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.